Welcome to Insula Processing. In this tutorial, we will go through some of the main features of this tool. Once you access this tool, you can change the background map and the rendering mode to the one that most fit your purposes. Here, you can access Insula Intellect and Insula Awareness, which we will talk about in other videos. You can also take a look at the documentation or ask for support. In our catalog, we host Eden, where you can access Earth digital twin data. Depending on the collection you choose, you can specify different parameters. Then we have Reference, where you can scroll through the data you uploaded or in situ one. You can find what you need by selecting a collection, an owner, a product date, a publication date, or marking an area of interest directly on the map. If you already have the complete name of the product you are looking for, you can type it as an identifier. Events provide access to products produced by the event processing option on Insula Intellect. You can sort them out, specifying multiple search criteria. Under My Storage, you can find My Bookmarks, which is a way to organize and keep track of heterogeneous data. Processing Outputs, which are the outputs of processing services. Uploaded Data, which is a collection of custom data uploaded by the users. To have additional information about these folders, you can refer to the documentation. Through external WMS, you can access external data. Currently, NASA Gibbs data is supported. Now, let's go deeper and take a look together at some products. Through the Data Discovery Center, access the output products. Here, you can find the outputs generated by Insula Intellect. Even if you are a new user, you should be able to see the drought assessment collection, which is available to everybody by default. We can select our data based on the job date, which is the day on which the product was processed. We can click on Center on Map to center the visualization on the product. Then, we press on Add to Map to display the selected product. In this case, we want to compare the precipitation over Europe for 2 consecutive observation dates. Here, we can modify the name of the files and change the order in which they are presented. The swipe tool makes it easy to spot the differences between the two images. Using the settings, we can select the variable we want to display and the color map we want to use. It's also possible to adjust the range based on the currently visible data domain. Another useful functionality is the possibility to play with the opacity. The transact value function enables you to quickly compare the values of a variable of interest along a line. You can specify the number of samples you want to collect and produce a graph to assess the variation. It's also possible to export the results in different formats. The area statistics function has similar parameters and allows the computation of useful statistics over an area of choice. Also in this case, it is possible to export the results. Thank you for watching Insula, the hub between data and decision.